Yeah. What's up, guys? So, Harmony has a doctor's appointment today, and we need to get dressed for that. Don't mind her drool or spit up all over her sleeve. She's just a happy baby. She doesn't care anything about that. I'm going to clean her up right now. Digging the car out for this snowstorm was not fun at all. As you guys can see, we got so much snow. It was so crazy, but it must be done. Now we're sitting here waiting on the doctor. We were almost late, but we made it just in time. And Harmony is not a happy camper. She does not like going to the doctor. I believe she already knows what this place is now, but she does not like going to the doctor. But I'm trying to calm her down while we're waiting for the doctor to come in. As you can see that she is not a happy camper here. This is taken right after she had got her shots. If you guys know the song Before I Let Go by Frankie Beverly and Maze, then you already know why I am happy, but I couldn't play it on this clip because of copyright issues. Now we're back at home and I have to undress baby girl and get her into her play clothes or her sleeper. And so that's what I'm about to do right now. As usual, Dad comes in and sneaks some kisses and some cuddles while we're getting baby dressed. This is the Swaddle Up Swaddler that I got from Target that I left a review on, or I did a review on in a previous video. If you guys are interested, I will leave that video link down below. Now I'm just rocking Harmony to sleep for her midday nap, and hopefully she goes to sleep quickly. Sometimes it takes her a little while, but other times she usually goes to sleep rather quickly. And since having her shots, I'm sure she'll be nice and tired and sleepy because this was a really big day for her. So I know she's tired and she just doesn't want to be bothered by anybody. She just wants to rest and get her legs better, because I know they were super sore for her. And yeah, it was just a really hard day for her today because she got her shots, her vaccines. Now that I finally got the baby to sleep, I am going to lay her down in her bassinet so that I can finally fold this freaking laundry, right? I know ever since the pandemic, people have been, just throwing laundry back in a basket and calling it a day. It's clean, hey, whatever. But no, all 2021, sis, we are going to fold our laundry and put it away, at least eventually, or at least that's the thought, right? That's the idea. But we are going to, we are all at home. We might as well just fold the laundry and put it away. Why not, right? Well, that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully I can keep that up. am just putting these clothes back on the hangers so that I can hang them up in my closet. I don't usually hang my pants up on hangers because they are jogging pants and stretch pants. Like, I don't usually hang those up, but sometimes I'll just put them on a hanger just to be cute with it or whatever. But do not stress about my closet. I know it is a little crowded up in here, and I will be doing a video on the organization and cleaning out of this closet soon, so be on the lookout for that video. Don't mind my little son. He is just so inquisitive, but I am taking the clothes that Harmony had on today and I'm throwing them in her little basket, ready to get a load of washing done. I'm not sure if I'll wash today or tomorrow, but whenever I do wash, I usually wash once a day, but because of the baby, she messes up so many things, like in the milk, it just gets everywhere. But sometimes I don't wash and I just leave it for another day. So she ended up waking up and I had to pick her up out of the bassinet and try to rock her to sleep again. But I couldn't stop what I was doing. I just had to keep going because I was in a zone. So I just decided to take her with me as I was cleaning up. So I just folded the blankets and tried and made the bed with her on my shoulder. This is really how we do everything every day, all day. Like, she's literally attached to my shoulder. I do baby wear her, but she really hates that thing. If you guys have a baby carrier that you recommend, please leave that in the comments down below. I'd love to know which one do you use or have used that really worked for your baby, because the one that I got, and you guys could see the previous video that I shared about it, I did a review on it. She really hates that thing. So yeah, I will leave that link to the carrier that I use down below, but she really doesn't like it. Maybe she just needs to get used to it, I don't know, but right now it's not working for us. So here I am just trying to get my lunch in while I rock her back to sleep. And like I said, this is a usual everyday thing. I'll usually wait to eat, or I'll just try and eat with her in my arms. But yeah, it just it's just a struggle every day. Like, every day we try and make things work around here. So I really sometimes just lay her down and let her, cool and, talk to herself while I try to get some food in. And then, yeah, but that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So while I attempt to get my eat on, you guys don't forget to like this video and definitely give it a thumbs up. Okay, love you. See you guys in the next one.